Good afternoon, this is Colton with Bill Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital roof inspection for a homeowner here out in the Oceanside area that is in a home that is built in 95 and it is the original roof, and so we are inspecting for a couple of roof leaks and a general inspection for the whole roof. What we like to do and the format that we like to follow is starting on the eaves of the house. So we can see right here, this is the fascia board, a metal drip edge right here, and then we have what is called a bird stop right here with a concrete S-tile. Bird stop is required for fire embers, for critters, and for any wind-driven rain, but I did find rat poop under a couple of these tiles, so they're definitely still getting in. On a roof project, sometimes there's termite damage, which you can see right here, where you can see termite droppings right there, so you can see the termites have eaten out some of this wood, and this is very indicative. And happens, quite often when it's been up here for 30 years. And so a fascia board like this would actually get replaced. We always want to pull back a couple tiles and look at the paper underneath. Now this roof has had some maintenance, so you can see some replacement tiles right here. So there really is only a couple cracked tiles right now. So there's some roof maintenance done, but the paper underneath is definitely the original. We can see right here the staining that's being seen. Old roof nail right there. That's a water stain that we see around here. So water's getting under here, and it's just waiting for itself to find a way in. Sensitive areas are always going to be valleys and stuff like that where more water colludes together. We can see that some maintenance has been done with some gluing right here. Just maybe these were kind of falling off. Sensitive areas are always going to be penetrations. We can see sewer tubes, T-tops, skylights. Sometimes what happens is the caulking around these skylights start to crack and water can actually get in right here. Congruent with this one right here as well. Skylights during a roofing project can stay in place. This one looks to be in good shape, but we do change out all the flashings around it. They're very common areas for leaks because they trap water above right here. This is very congruent with chimneys as well. Trapping water when it goes down that surface traps it right there. Pulled up a couple tiles on this section just to see what the paper looks like underneath. We can see, we can see the brittleness of this paper. This is the original felt paper, kind of just falling apart in my fingers here. Very dirty, sustaining some water intrusion. Here's a cracked tile right there. If we go down here, just following this roof and kind of looking at one of these replacement tiles right here. The replacement tiles are never really nailed in. They're usually just glued in. Actually see that glue right here. You can see the water spots right here on this one. Original paper, very weak tar paper. We upgrade this paper to a significantly longer lasting underlayment with a 50-year warranty. Getting down in this section right here, just want to point out some of the debris droppings on this. Moving down right here to a section. Various different levels to this roof, but this is where we have the rat droppings right here. We can see that pests are getting underneath this. During a re-roofing project, it usually cures that because we're redoing all the flashings and the entry points are getting redone. So yes, this roof is at its end of its life expectancy. There is urgency to replace the paper underneath, or else we're going to continue sustaining leaks. And we can give the option of a lift and a reset for this roof. So we'll go ahead and go over it with the homeowner. Thank you.